Good morning, children. Now it's time for your science class, and today we'll be revising chapter 4, birds, feathers, beaks, feet, claws, and flight. In this, we will be doing flight and down feathers, differently shaped beaks, shapes and uses of feet and claws, how birds fly. Let's start. Birds are unique. They are the only animals that have feathers. You all know that birds are the only animals that have feathers. Feathers. Feathers come in different shapes, sizes, and colors. You must have seen different birds have different types of feathers which are of different colors and the sizes and also shape. Besides making birds appear beautiful, feathers serve other purposes too. So, what are the purposes of feathers that serve? They are the flight feathers include tail and wing feathers. They aid flight. That means they help the bird flight. Down feathers are soft and fluffy. They keep a bird warm by trapping air close to its body. So what do down feathers do? They keep the bird warm by trapping air close to its body. Beaks. Beaks, also known as bill, help birds in many ways. Beaks, they are also known as bills that it helps birds in many ways. Beaks are of different shapes and often a bird can be identified by looking at its beak. So there are many birds, they are identified by just looking at their beaks. Beaks are used by birds. Why are they used? They are used for gathering, catching, and eating food. Why beaks are used by the birds? For gathering, catching, and eating food. Next, for picking, building material while building nests. Next, for defending themselves and their babies, so that enemies don't come and take away their babies or attack them. Number 4, for feeding babies. The shape of a bird's beak is closely related to its eating habit. Different types of beaks are as follows. Tearing beak. Bird of prey or raptors such as eagles, kites, hawks, vultures and falcon eat flesh. Bird of prey or raptors such as eagles, kites, hawks, vultures and falcon eat flesh. They have sharp hooked beak that help them to tear meat. So birds like eagles, kites, hawks, vultures, falcon, those who eat flesh, they have sharp hooked beak. Look at the picture of the tearing beak, how they have. Look at this. You must have seen the beak of eagle. Cracking beak. Sparrows and cardinals crack open seeds and nuts with their short, stout, cone-shaped beaks. Now look at this cracking. They have very small and very stout shaped cone-shaped beaks that helps them to open the seeds and nuts. needle-like beak. Hummingbirds have long needle-like beak. They used to probe deep into flowers to get nectar that they drink. Nectar, that is their food. They have long, look at the beak. They have just like a needle-like beak that helps them to get deep into its flowers so that they get the nectar from the flowers that they drink. Chisel-like beak. The woodpecker's beak is strong and sturdy. Look at the woodpecker beak, sturdy, with a chisel-like tip for drilling holes in wood to catch insect it eats. Broad and short beak. The swallow. Broad and short beak. The swallow has a broad and short beak that is sticky inside that helps it catch insects. So broad and short beak, they are broad and short beak and that is sticky inside that helps them to catch the insects. Swallows, swifts and flycatchers like to eat while using their short beaks and wide gaping mouths to capture insects in flight. Next, the heron and a long broad pointed beak. The heron and the egret find their long broad pointed beaks useful when hunting fish and frogs and other animals, small animals that live in and around water. Their beaks help them to either grab or stab their meal. Look at the beak of the egret. They have long broad pointed beaks. Now next, beak for straining. Ducks has broad, look at the beak of the duck, Ducks has broad flat beak with tiny comb-like structures around the edge of the beak. Look at the picture of the beak of the duck. The comb-like structures help to filter mud and water. When the duck feeds on small insects and plants. Pouch-like beak for scooping. The pelican has a pouch-like beak that can expand. Look at the beak of the pelican. When tries to scoop up fish from water, the pouch then contracts and the water drains out. After the water drains out, the pelican swallows the fish or other food left behind whole. So what happens? The pelican scoops up the fish from the water and the pouch then it becomes small, contracts and the water drains out, and after the water drains out, what happens? The pelican swallows the fish or other insect that it has scoop up as a whole. Now curved beak. A curved beak helps the parrot crack coconuts and hard fruits that it likes to feed on. Look at the picture of the beak, parrot beak. Feet and claws. Birds use their feet and claws for many important activities, such as swimming, catching prey, walking, perching, wading, climbing, scratching and digging. A bird may also use its feet and claws to protect itself from enemies. So bird also uses its feet and claws to protect itself from enemies. Now next, birds that swim. Ducks, geese and swans all have webbed feet with 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. So 3 toes are there. Look at the picture. 3 toes are there in front and 1 at the back. 1 toe at the back. The 3 toes at the front are joined by skin, which is called web. So this type of feet is known as web. It helps the bird to push water back while swimming. Birds of prey. Raptors or birds of prey like eagles, hawks and falcons have sharp and powerful claws called talons, and they use them for catching food such as rats and small birds. So raptors like eagles, hawks and falcons, what type of claws they have? Their claws are called talons that help them to catch food such as rats and small birds. Birds that perch. Crows, sparrows and mynas have 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. This kind of claw helps such birds to hold on to the branch of a tree while perching on it. This kind of claw helps such birds to hold on to the branch of a tree while perching on it. Wading birds. Some birds do not swim but wade through water. Such birds have long, slender legs that allow them to walk slowly through water without getting wet. Cranes, herons and sandpipers are the wading birds. Birds that climb. Some birds prefer to walk up and down trunks with the help of their feet. The shape of their feet and claws help them to walk. For example, a woodpecker has 2 toes. Look at the picture. Woodpecker has 2 toes pointed forward and 2 toes pointed backward. This toe arrangement supports it as it climbs up and down a tree. So we are doing up to here. We are doing next class. I'll be doing the rest of the chapter and giving you the question answer, a revision work of the question answer. Thank you.